In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson EcoTank ET-2800 or other models that are looking similar, as long as they have a small screen in the middle like this one. So first thing obviously is to turn on your printer. Then once you get the home screen presented to you, you're going to navigate using these arrows until you see settings, then press OK. Then on this screen you have multiple options. You need to navigate until you see Restore Default Settings. In my case it's the page that is 8 out of 9, but in yours it may be different. Once you see Restore Default Settings, you're going to press OK. And then we can restart different things. You can restart everything, and for this we need to go at the end where it says clear all data and settings. But you can also reset only the network settings in case you're having some issues with the Wi-Fi. You can also reset the copy settings if you have other issues while you're trying to make some copies with your printer. And you can simply reset the scanner of this printer if this is the only issue you're having. So once you're done selecting which one you want, so press OK. It will tell you restore all settings, blah, blah, blah. And you simply need to press the OK button and the printer will reset itself. It will take just a few seconds, maybe maximum a minute, and you'll be done and good to go. And hopefully this will make your problem go away. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.